Consider the following block diagram in the figure 1.3. The transfer function C of S upon R of S is, we have to find the transfer function for the given block diagram. The given block diagram, if you find the transfer function for this given block diagram, it takes time consuming. That's why let us assume as if it is a signal flow graph. Don't draw the signal flow graph. We have to visualize as if it is a signal flow graph. Because this is one node, this is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5, node 0. So if you draw the signal flow graph, it will be looking like this. G2, 5, C of S. This is R of S. And one is going from here to node 3 to gain 1. Another one, this is node 4 and going like this. This is also unity gain. Note that there is no feedback path. That's why the Mason's gain formula, the denominator becomes 1. No feedback path. Only forward paths. How many forward paths are there? Sum of forward paths gains P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 plus P3 delta 3. 3 forward paths are there. One forward path is this. That is P1 delta 1 is G1, G2 plus this is another forward path. That is here unity, here G2 alone is there. Therefore, G2. And the third forward path is this way. This way. Third forward path is this way. That is 1 plus 1 divided by 1. Delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 are loop gain for the part of graph which is not touching the forward path. That is not there. Therefore, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, G1, G2 plus G2 plus 1 is the answer. Therefore, B is the answer. Don't draw the signal flow graph in the examination. Visualize.